really happy today because we bought some books. Here the yacht club, and we'll go for lunch, breakfast with mum. Later we'll go shopping, so let's go. Okay, so one very important thing about the Forex lifestyle is that your trading lifestyle, your business lifestyle is that you need to stop and reward yourself. Because now here's the thing, if you work hard in your trading, if you work hard in your business, if you hoard all that money and be a money hoarder, and then you don't spend any of the money, it's very easy to get depressed, it's very easy to get frustrated, it's very easy to feel that you're not making any progress. Because I can tell you that last time when I just work and then don't spend anything to reward myself, I was not happy. For me, the regular thing that I do as a therapy is I go to the library. It's only once a blue moon that I bring myself to a retreat, to a mini retreat or shopping trip. Do something that makes you recharge faster. The only thing I need now is books, so hopefully we can find some good trading books, if not investing books, if not motivational books, then if not business books. Yeah, so let's go. So there's like a book fair today, so a lot of the books are at discount. I'll let you know whether it's good or not. Versace, always. Hey guys, had a really good recharge day. Really happy today because we bought some books. I hold physical commodities, I trade commodities, but I'm not like a super expert in it. So, and they only have one financial market book, so it's just right. I'll let you know whether this book is good. I'm gonna go through it for a while, and if it's good, I'm going to recommend you. If it's not, then just pretend you didn't see this. Like, can I tell you what generally makes me happy? It's like buying stationeries, buying books. Call me weird if you want to, because I don't care. And it has a couple of good chapters. It has things like index, which I really like too. And also things like crude oil, which I research about too. And then you also have like technical analysis, but it's not the intermediate or advanced ones. You have things like how to read candlesticks, which you already know, and then how to read the trend patterns, which you already know too. Also like how to identify support resistance, and then what else? Trend lines, which I believe you also know too. Also you have like SMA, you have EMA, RSI, and then you also have like Bollinger Bands, which you also know. And it's not like super detailed because it's like it only gives you the basics. So I guess this is not really to study technical analysis, it's more like to understand in depth how to become better in my commodities trading, how to invest in commodities better. Because personally, the commodities that I hold right now is physical silver. Physical gold, whether I hold it or not, I prefer not to say it because otherwise I might get robbed. I think you already get a clue. Okay, it's okay. You see, it has things like buying physical silver. Now, a few years ago, physical silver is a big thing. Like after the recession, like people are buying so many safe havens. Back in 2011, 2010, it's like a big hype. If you are to get one message from this vlog, is to find what makes you happy. Buy a book for myself, or buy stationery for myself. For example, just a few days ago, like, what is this? What is this? What is this? Seriously? So when I bought this, I became really happy. Like, call me weird if you want to. Then I got this like whiteboard. Then after I bought this, I became really happy. Like, including a freaking duster. All these things makes me happy. It might not be for you. It might be something else. I don't know, because you are the one who understands you more than I understand you. Find one thing, helps you temporarily escape from everything, helps you de-stress, help you get away from your desk for just one time. And when you come back, you'll be really recharged. If you're sad, if you're depressed, you realize that you feel better. Even if it's 1% better, it's still making good progress. Before I go to gym, let me know down in the comment section below. What do you do to make yourself happy? Do something for yourself, just for one day, just for once. Because you matter.